Hello guys, welcome back and let us continue from where we left in the previous video. And remember that I had shown you the three conditional statements used in JavaScript, and I had shown you the syntax of each statement, and also I gave you an example that you can try so that you can deeply understand uh, how you can use it in JavaScript. So guys, we're going to do it in step by step from scratch, and let us first create a folder. Let us create a folder in our desktop so that we can save our files. So let's say folder like let's say JavaScript, let's say JavaScript programs, okay. And then I recommend that you can use Visual Studio Code in this course because Visual Studio Code sometimes has an advantage of things like you you can press it has shortcuts. It has actually shortcuts. Open that Visual Studio Code and then open folder. Okay, it will redirect you to go to desktop, and then you select the file that the folder actually that you have created. Let me save what I had done earlier. So inside that folder you can create HTML file, call it a name that you like, or just any name that you can see that is irrelevant to our course, like let me say index dot html. Okay, press enter. So guys, one of the advantage of using Visual Studio Code, you can shift one and then it can give you automatically a empty HTML document. So it's recommended that you can install this IDE because it has the latest features of integrated development. So guys, we shall put our JavaScript files inside head and head because it's internal JavaScript. So it's an inline JavaScript. We shall put it between head and head. So simply type script, press enter. So it will autocomplete what you are supposed to put inside the script tags. Now, uh, we are supposed to declare variables that will be used throughout the program, and let's declare a variable that will prompt you to enter a name. So let's say variable username, okay, to prompt you to enter your name. That will prompt you to enter your name, like enter and your name. Okay, enter your name, and then we declare another variable to prompt you to enter age. So let's say variable age here is equals to it prompts you now to enter age. But I want to make it more fun. That it will call you it will call your name that you have declared or that you have input, and then it says enter your name like Felix, enter your name. So I'll first write the username that I have declared, and then now uh, Felix and oops and your age. Enter your age. So we have declared variables and we have set it to prompt you in the browser that if when you refresh in the browser, it will pops up and command you to enter your name, and then calls that name that you have entered and commands to enter your age. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. If you are not so familiar with variable declaration in JavaScript, I recommend that you can pause this video, you go back and see how variables are declared. So before we continue, guys, let us check if our prompt works. So I recommend again to you install a live server so that you can directly okay, so you see now the live server will directly take you to the browser. Okay, so I recommend that you can install a live server. Very good. So enter your name. If I say it, Felix, enter your age, 45. So it alerts an empty page because we have not yet set the conditions. We have not yet set conditions. Let's go back to the editor. Let's go back and we set the editor. So guys, another keyword in JavaScript which is very popular. All our JavaScript conditions here we shall put inside a function. We shall put inside a function so that it can be invoked anywhere in the program. So again, if you are not familiar with functions in JavaScript, you can follow my JavaScript courses and find functions course under in any media, like you can find it in YouTube. That's my online JavaScript courses. So go there, look for how you can use functions in JavaScript. So let's say function, and then a function name, call it any name. Like for me, I can say my age, okay, just call it any name, but must be relevant. Okay, you put parentheses and then curly braces. So inside these curly braces, we are going to write our if statement, if else statement, and then else if statement. So let's say if now the condition inside this parentheses, we shall put our condition. So if the head that we have declared is greater than 1 or equal to 1, and the same h, so we use an operator, and the same h is less than or equal to 7, okay, less or equal to 7, sorry, 7, okay. So inside these curly braces that are put here, if the h is greater than 1 and that the same h is less than 7, we shall execute that. We use the return keyword. We execute that you are a toddler. Okay. And again, guys, if the same h, if h is greater or equal to follow, or greater or equal to 7, and the same h is